We have not visited Seward, Alaska since we moved back to Alaska.
I have twice to fish, but I didn't bring Deborah.
Doesn't count. We're super excited to be back this weekend. We're staying at the incredible Salted Roots. Whoa!
We made it to one of the coolest looking Airbnbs.
And we can't wait to see what has changed and what's new and really just reacquaint ourselves with Seward.
It's such a beautiful city. I'm excited.
It's always been one of our favorites here in Alaska, so we can't wait to show you guys around. Our first stop, you probably guessed it, of course, had to be food. One of you recommended that we have brunch at the Cookery, so we're gonna check it out. We also went to the Mexican restaurant in town last night for dinner, which is apparently owned by the same people. And it was just as great as we remembered. Do you need reservations?
I hope not.
If there's one thing Tyler could possibly love more than pizza,
Donuts.
are you gonna share?
No.
That was so tasty. Their biscuits and gravy were delicious. And now onwards to show you a bit more of Seward. One of my favorite things to do in these smaller Alaskan towns is to go thrifting because I truly feel like you never know what you're gonna find. There's only 2 here in Seward, but we're gonna try to make it work. This thrift store was way better and way more reasonably priced. We got a nice little picnic bag and got myself some crampons, which we don't really need them today, but I will be needing them since we're living in Alaska again.
So we just drove down to Exit Glacier, but they closed the road in the winter. We thought maybe it would be open because it's not really winter this year, but it's still closed. So now we're going to the Alaska Sea Life Center.
The escalator's broken today. We just had the sweetest person come up to us who follows our adventures. It was so cute. It's her kid's 5th birthday party. They're gonna go feed the sea lions and stuff, and I'm kind of jealous, but it'll be a good day. The Alaska Sea Life Center is a unique aquarium and Alaska's only permanent marine mammal rehabilitation center, meaning that you not only get to see the animals up close,
We'll give you a heads up. They can be pretty fast. Sometimes they'll hop around every now and then. Totally safe to touch, so they'll just zip around a bit.
Never.
oh my gosh,
They do jump quick.
what?
We call
Really?
them sea urchin
It's a
hug.
hug.
They're just kind of like toothpicks. The
Oh, yeah.
urchins here in Alaska, they're not nearly as sharp as like some warmer water urchins are.
You got a sea urchin hug.
Yeah. Come to the touch pools. You can touch anything. Even
Tyler approved.
even the shrimp.
But you also get to learn about them and their impact on Alaska's local environment and economy.
Hi, sea lion. He's coming to say hi.
Oh, he's a big.
He's so big.
Look at him.
He's like a giant swimming potato.
Look at us.
Hello, seal. Hi. He's like, nope. Imagine if you were out there swimming and that thing came at you.
It'll be so scary.
Wow. Oh my gosh, they're all swimming over here. Why?
They're calling us.
Hello. You're cute.
Ah, he's cute.
You're cute. What'd you learn?
The white ones, like you were just doing, is a horned puffin,
Okay.
and that one is a tufted puffin. They're all black.
Oh, smarty pants Tyler over here.
I got a little help from the lady who's here.
Whoa, would you see that one? If you're traveling with anyone who wants to have some up-close encounters with local marine life, then this is the spot to go.
Oh, he's like 5 times bigger than me.
Bye, Tyler.
Where are you going?
Have fun. The Sea Life Center is definitely an awesome way to experience some of the local marine life up close. Plus, if you're as lucky as we are, in the gift shop, you'll find the cutest otter slippers, which, yes, was an impulse buy, but so worth it. What did you think of Sea Life?
It was pretty fun. We don't always love aquariums, but this one is so cool. And I feel like they do a lot to for conservation, so it's worth it. If you're in the area, you can see all the salmon, the sea lions, the seals, super close.
We did make a really quick stop at the nearby beach.
So we went to Resurrection Point. It's a state park area with a big beach. Oh look, there's a lot of fishermen.
Before heading back to Salted Roots, and we thought this would be the perfect time to show you around and give you a really quick tour of where we're staying. The Salted Roots actually has 5 different cabins here on site, and then they also own Rustic Roots, which is right next door, and they have a couple more cabins over there. We chose to stay in their super unique yellow door retro bus cabin. So it's actually a bus with like a house built onto it. Typically, we don't usually start with the bathroom, but the bathroom for this cabin is separated from the actual house. Welcome to the loo. We've got everything we need here. Huge countertop, gigantic shower, we've got a toilet, and the best part is that even though it's all separate from the main living area, it's completely heated. Now onto the rest of the cabin. Over to the right, we have our first bedroom here. This is actually the converted bus area. Super cozy spot to come hang out. Right across from it, we have the kitchen. Lots of counter space here. We've got an oven, a fridge, just a quaint little cozy cooking space. They also left us some goodies. They got some chocolates.
They're selling chocolate! They're selling chocolate! Yeah! Chocolate.
And some Barnacle Foods Alaskan Bullwhip Kelp and Piri Piri hot sauce.
I'm excited for that.
This is actually from Barnacle Foods, which is a local brand here in Alaska. Tyler and I have always wanted to try their hot sauces and different things that they make, so we're actually super excited about that. And now for upstairs. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. These stairs are super steep, so if you have bad knees or like stair issues, I probably would pick one of their other cabins. Or you can just sleep in the bus. My little legs don't do well there. This is the main living room type of area. We've got a pellet stove here. It does an incredible job keeping the place warm. Tyler and I actually turned it off the entire last night because it was so hot up here. So you can sit here, enjoy the nice little view of the sauna. You can kind of see the mountains over in the distance. And the very last stop on our tour is the main bedroom. In my personal opinion, it has the best view. It has a gigantic picture window. You can see the bay. There's a nice little reading nook over by the window, and the bed is super comfortable. And as we waited for the sauna to heat up, we decided it was the perfect time for a little snack break. So Tyler was gifted this jar of salmon by one of the pilots at the place he works at. I put it on a bagel with cream cheese and kind of spread it out on top, and it is so good. If any of you have a salmon jar recipe that you wouldn't mind sharing, we would love to try it out and would really appreciate if you wanted to maybe share that in the comments. So good. Are your slippers inside? Yeah. Okay.
Whoa. We got a recommendation from you guys to go to Woody's Thai Kitchen, and last night we came by and it was so busy, so we're like, all right, we gotta go tomorrow. So let's go see if it's worth the hype.
Think it'll be as good as the pad thai in Thailand?
There's a little restaurant right in the front of the street. We got 2 things. Pad thai for $120, and we got crab fried rice for $160. The lady's literally cooking right next to us.
No. Also a lot more expensive. Pad Thai in Thailand was like $3.
Is it open? Oh, scared me. We got the bacon fried rice with pineapple and the shrimp and chicken pad thai. It is a bit more spendy than what we paid back in Thailand, but it looks amazing. The portions are actually huge, and I highly recommend trying out their Thai tea. All right, first bite.
Yep. Coffee?
Actually really good. Thank you to whoever recommended this. It was so tasty.
Yeah, it's like it's good Thailand.
Tyler and I decided to end our last morning here with a nice little sunset viewing on the beach, but it's too cloudy for the sunrise. Did I say sunset?
Yeah.
Sunrise. If it wasn't so cloudy, this would be the most spectacular place to be watching. We've got one more stop before we finally head back to Anchorage. And even though this day was super short, it was so nice exploring Seward again. It truly is one of our favorite places here in Alaska. And as always, if you want to see more adventures, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Look at the little fishies.
Those are cod. Deborah, I dare you to go ice skating.
No.
Push.
Come on. Nah, come on in. It's locked. Good?
Yep. I just heard something.
I did too. That's why I was like...
Here, let me just go check.
Yeah.
Hello? No.
What is that?
It's a heater.
I had a heart attack.
I was like, what's happening?